Good morning. It's like 5:30 and going to the gym. So, Vlogmas day 2. Good morning. I got done. Let's go get ready for work. Yeah. I'm really trying not to be late for real. Alrighty. Gotta get dressed. Alrighty. So,
baby, I would have been in there.
let's go to work.
Who you talking to?
It's time to go. I didn't film me at lunch because I went downstairs and forgot to grab my camera and wasn't coming back to get it. So don't beat me up. But everybody go home. It's just me. I'm waiting for traffic to die down and I'm gonna go home. Eat me a little leftovers. And I need to clean my bathroom. I did not clean my bathroom yesterday, so I'm gonna clean my bathroom tonight. And I'm probably gonna go to bed early. But yeah. Y'all, I got home and took that wig off. One thing about it, two things for sure. I'm gonna snatch that doggone wig off. It don't make no sense. I done got so used to not wearing that thing. Anyways, I made it home. I already ate dinner. I had my little portions made up, so I ate one of those. Even though I really want me a burger from In-N-Out. That's really what I wanted, was a burger from In-N-Out. But anyways, yeah. I know I said I was gonna clean my bathroom. I guess I could clean my bathroom. I'm tired. That drive back from work could be, it be kicking my ass. Oh, it be kicking my ass real bad. Oh my God. And then I don't know if it's because I worked out so early this morning. And then my friends talk about getting on the game and playing Fortnite. How? I don't think I'm gonna survive. Probably gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna drink my, you know what? Let me make me a sleepy girl. No. Let me clean my bathroom because I said I was gonna do it and I need to do it. So let's clean my bathroom. Then I'm gonna make my sleepy girl mocktail. Cause I got some tart cherry juice in it. I already look like, why I look high? Why I look high? I'm sleepy. That was crazy. Forgive me, y'all. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So no, I'm gonna clean my bathroom. Let me clean my bathroom. Come on, y'all. Come on, let's go clean the bathroom. Oh, yeah, I had to change. You know, you gotta put on some stuff you don't mind getting bleach on. So boom. Cause I already got bleach on. Alrighty. Let me turn on my watch. I'm gonna say other. Clean this bathroom right quick. And I don't wanna to, why is that song in my head? And I don't wanna know who I am. Because everything's meant to be broken. And then something right now. I don't know. Bleach it. Bleach it. And let it marinate. It's smelling a little strong in here. Oh well. Little fumes ain't never hurt nobody. Y'all, look at my Christmas tree. It's been up since the first week of November. Don't judge me. So that's why putting this together won't be a part of Vlogmas. But I decided to let my vacuum cleaner vacuum so I can maybe mop my floors. I don't know yet. We're gonna see how I feel. All done. Floors are clean. Now let's make a sleepy girl cocktail. Mocktail. No cock in that. No cock in this one. It's just a mocktail. I got my sleepy girl mocktail. I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired, you know. And I'm gonna get up early in the morning, go to the gym again. And yeah, that's it for this video. For Vlogmas Day 2. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.